Hey everybody, welcome back to Zach Tech Reviews. On this channel we look at tech, mobile accessories, and gadgets, and this is actually a subscriber requested video. I had a few questions and comments on my OEM case video that I did here for the OnePlus 5T cases. You can check it out here. There's also a link down below. A couple people wanted to know a follow-up. How is it after a few months here and whatnot? So I've had the OnePlus 5T here for a few months. Very happy with it. It's not my current daily driver, but I did pick up all of the OEM cases that were available for it. And here are my final thoughts on some of these cases. First of all, yes, this one is still in the packaging because I've never taken it out. This is the bamboo case. So actually maybe we'll take this out really quickly here and take a quick look at it. And yes, now I remember why I didn't use this. I'm not a big fan of built-in buttons like this, especially on thin cases like this. I feel like this should be open, kind of like how it is here on the Sandstone case here. That's why I didn't use this. Other than that, I mean, it's got a great look. It's got a great feel to it. Let's go ahead and pop it inside the phone case here. But just as a personal preference, I mean, yeah, the buttons are clicky and they do work. But I'm just not a big fan of that, especially on a minimalist case like this. I feel like they should have left that open. One thing that is nice is that there is a lip all the way around here, so when you put the phone on a flat surface, the screen is raised up, so that is definitely a positive there. Everything's embedded there. You can see the camera is embedded inside the case there, along with the fingerprint reader. Everything looks to be, well protected that way. You're not going to get a whole lot of drop protection out of something like this because of how thin it is, but it does look good. So that's that's one of the reasons why I didn't really go into that one. But anyway, kind of going from my favorite to least favorite. My number one favorite case that I used the most time was the Sandstone case. I love the feel of this. It's not too rough. It's nice and open here on the sides with the buttons and everything like that. It's very minimalistic. You're still going to get raised up on the edges there, so when you put it on a surface, everything is down embedded inside. Everything's well protected, easy to reach all your buttons, and I just feel like it's got a very unique look. I have yet to see any other case manufacturer out there do like a sandstone look and feel. I've actually looked around for other cases that are like sandstone kind of feel like this, and I have yet to see anything. If you've seen anything, please let me know down in the comment section there. After that, my next favorite case is going to be definitely the carbon fiber. Again, minimalist look again. It's got it's got a great feel to it. It's definitely got a little more slip than say the Sandstone here, but overall feels good. I did find, much like the silicone case that I'll get into here, that it does pick up the fingerprints really easily. It does get a little gunky, kind of, you do have to kind of wipe it off here and there. If you're not a fan of fingerprints and whatnot, and what the kind of oils and whatnot that a case like this could pick up, this may not be for you. But I mean, overall, I mean, it's got a cool look there. I like how the OnePlus branding's on there. Again, you've got a lip all the way going around there, so in case you put it on a flat surface, the screen is protected, and away you go. So let's go ahead and pop that off. Moving down the line here, the silicone case has been really great. It's definitely eye-catching, very premium feeling. It's weird. Sometimes it feels very slippery. Sometimes it has some grip, but I guess that's just how silicone works there. But I did use this one for quite a while until I got the Sandstone one here. So again, everything's protected. Camera's down side. Again, you got that lip going all the way around. Everything looks good there. And unfortunately, my least favorite case has been the flip cover. Now I know the flip cover has definitely got its advantages because you can close it up, and as soon as you open it up, the screen activates. You only have room for one card, and that's unfortunate. It's very much like the Samsungs. I suppose if you have two cards in there that don't have embossing or raised lettering, it would be okay. The biggest thing I didn't like about this case is when you flip it over, this definitely takes away for it. I feel as though with how quickly the facial recognition is on this, see how quickly that is right there. OnePlus could have almost taken this and just made it flat and just put a sticker on there saying, hey, if you're going to use this case, you're not going to have the fingerprint reader, and that would have really kind of completed a really premium look and whatnot. Unfortunately, you got this great case, you got some nice branding here, you got a nice pocket in here, some nice, like I said, design by OnePlus in here, And then you've got this hole in the back, which is for your fingerprint, which again, if you're using the facial recognition that they have here, as you know, boom, just like that, it unlocks. It's so incredibly fast. Did they need to put a hole in this for the fingerprint reader? I guess so people didn't freak out, but again, like I said, with how quickly the facial recognition is on this, they could have put a sticker on saying, hey, you can't use this if you use this case. So, you know, something to think. So there's a quick follow-up on the OEM cases. My top pick, like I said, is going to be the Sandstone case, followed by the carbon fiber, and then it kind of just goes down from there. So those are my thoughts about it. Let me know down in the comment section here, have you ever picked up one of the OnePlus OEM cases? If so, which one are you using right now? Are you considering picking up one of these? You know, if you can still get yourself a OnePlus 5 or OnePlus 5T before the 6 comes out, you know, you might be able to get these on for a good deal. Again, check out OnePlus's website. I'll leave a link down below. If you guys like the content here, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting that subscribe button as well, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Cheers.